In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional CV for free online. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Get Your CV. In the search results, scroll down and look for this website. The link to this website will also be attached in the description. On the website, click on Create Your CV. Here you can see that a lot of templates are available to use, and all of them are free of cost. Select a template you like. On this page, click on Add Picture and select your picture from your computer. Now, add your name, email, phone number, and address. This information is mandatory for your CV. Click on More Details. Here, you can add your nationality, marital status, and date of birth. After you are done, click on Next. Now, you have to fill out your educational information. Click on Add Education. Here, add the details of your degree. You can add your educational qualifications, such as a bachelor's degree, master's, or a doctorate. Do not add your high school diploma unless you have not completed your university. Remember to add your achievements in the bullet points section. You can add multiple qualifications and rearrange them in reverse chronological order, meaning from the most recent to the oldest. After you are done, click on Next. Here, you have to add your previous job experiences. Fill out the necessary data and click on Next. Now, you can add your extra skills here. Click on the skill set that you want to add and the details about your mastery of that skill. You can also add your summary here. In the Add section part, you can add custom skills that are not listed on the website. Click on Custom section and add your custom skill. For example, I will add one skill in sports as a state-level football player. After you are done, click Next. Here you will get a preview of your CV. You can also change the font size and color of the CV. After you are done, click on Download PDF. The CV will be downloaded as a PDF. Let's close the browser and open the PDF file. Here you can see that we have successfully created a professional CV. Following these steps, you can create a professional-looking CV for free.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.